Went on to the contract. So the contract is where you have your terms of agreement. This is where your rates will be. It will also highlight, so for example, you decide that you want to leave the company. It will tell you like how much you would have to repay, you know, the terms of the contract, how many hours you need to do in order to fully sign on or to call your contract, you know, completed. The package came via FedEx directly to my house, and at that time it included audio files. There were books as well, and then you had subscription services later on. And all of that is in preparation for the exam. They decided to do weekly exam with us, and depending on how you're scoring on your exam, then they will decide if you need to take a little bit of a longer time, or they can actually book your exam earlier than expected. When you're trained in another country, going into a first world country, you know, there is gonna be a totally different way how you manage certain condition, or how you deal with certain patient. Preparation is gonna be very, very important, because